Rule for rounding of number. If digit to be dropped is smaller than 5, this is 4, it is a smaller than 5, then the preceding digit, this is the preceding digit, should be left unchanged. So 7.34 is written as 7.3. This 3 is a preceding remain digit and that is remain as unchanged. So rounded off figure is 7.3. Rule number second. If digit to be dropped is greater than 5, so our example will be 17.26. This digit is greater than 5. This 2 is known as preceding unit. For rounding off, what can we do? This preceding unit is raised by plus 1. So it is written as 7.3. If digit to be dropped is greater than 5, then preceding unit is raised by plus 1. Rule number 3. If digit to be dropped is 5, for example 7351, 7.351, this is digit to be dropped 5 followed by digit other than 0. 5 च्या पुढे कोण आहे 1, so it is other than 0, then preceding digit should be raised by 1. This is preceding unit. We have to drop this 5, but after the 5 नंतर 1 आहे, it is greater than 0. Then what happen? Preceding unit should be raised by plus 1. So rounding figure is 7.4. This is 3 unit is raised by plus 1, so it is converted into 7.4. Rule number 4. If digit to be dropped is 5, for example 3.45, this 5 is need to be dropped. 5 is followed by 0, there is no digit after 5. Then preceding digit is not changed. If even, it is even. This is a preceding unit, it is even. Digit to be dropped 5 followed by 0, then preceding unit is 4, which is even, but it is not changed. So rounded up figure is 3.4. This is the rule number 4. Digit to be dropped is 5 followed by 0, then preceding unit is raised by 1 if it is odd. मागच्या रूल मध्ये पाहिलं होतं, पण इव्हन असेल तर आपण चेंज केला नाही. सेकंड रूल 3.35, दिस इज ड्रॉप digit followed by 0, it is preceding unit. So we have to drop 5 is followed by 0, no digit after 5, and it is odd. If it is odd, then preceding unit is raised by plus 1. So rounded figure is 3.4. Rounded figure is 3.4. Let's say our numerical is diameter of sphere is 2.40 centimeter. Calculate volume of sphere to correct number of significant figure. What is volume of sphere? Volume of sphere. The formula of volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi r cube. We know that. What is the value of pi? Value of pi is equal to 3.14. Then volume of sphere is 2.14. That is diameter. Diameter is 2.14 centimeter. So r is d upon 2. So it is equal to 2.14 upon 2. So we can write 4 by 3 into 3.14 into diameter 2.14 by 2 bracket cube. By solving it we get 4 by 3 multiplied by 3.412. We have taken full figure for rounding of 412 multiplied by 2.14 divided by 2. It is equal to 1.07 and its bracket cube. By solving it we get answer. So answer obtained is 4 by 3, 3.412 and 1.0 bracket cube. It may be 5.13213475. This is a multiplication and division, and there is a 1. When we are going to calculate this answer by calculator, we obtain all these digits in multiplication or division. The final result should retain as many significant figure as there are original number with least significant number. Which is the least significant number? This is 5.13 and unit is cm cube. It is our first numerical. Let's see numerical. We had given the rectangular sheet. The length of rectangular sheet is 4.234 meter. Breadth of rectangular sheet is 1.005 meter. Thickness of rectangular sheet is 2.01 centimeter. Here unit is meter, here meter, but it is centimeter. So we need to convert it into meter. For convergence of meter, we multiply by it by 10 raised to minus 2. So 2.01 into 10 raised to minus 2. 2.01 into 10 raised to minus 2. So it is 0.0201 meter. We have to calculate area of volume of sheet, capital A, then area of sheet, and then we have to calculate volume of sheet. What is area? Area is equal to 2 into LB plus BT plus TL. This is the area of sheet, and volume of sheet B is equal to L into B into T. Okay, this is formula number first. It is formula number second. So our formula is 2 into length B plus breadth, then that is BT, and third thickness L. By putting values, A is equal to 2 into what is the value of length? That is 4.234. 4.234 multiplied by breadth 1.005. This is first, plus BT. B is 1.005 multiplied by T is thickness 0.0201 plus third TL thickness 0.0201 multiplied by L length is 4.234. By calculating it we get answer A is equal to 8.721 meter square. 8.721 meter square. So its correct significant figure is 8.72 meter square. This is significant of figure of area. Why? This is 1. It is less than 5. So this is preceding unit 2. It is remain unchanged. So its significant figure is 8.72. Volume is L into B into T. So value of L is equal to 4.234 into B is 1.005 and value of T is 0.0201. By calculating it we get 0.085528971 meter cube. By correct significant figure here 5, we have to drop it. This 5 is preceding digit, so it is increased by +1, so our digit significant figure is 0.086 and its unit is meter cube. Let's say our second numerical is nucleus radius depend on mass number A, where R radius is 1.3 into 10 raised to minus 16 a raised to 1/3 meter. Nucleus of mass is given, A is equal to 125. Obtain the order of magnitude of R, that is expressed in M, stand for meter. So given value R is equal to 1.3 into 10 raised to minus 16 a raised to 1/3 meter, and value of A is 125. So written as 1.3 into 10 raised to minus 16. Instead of A we are going to write 125 raised to 1/3. By solving it we get 1.3 into 10 raised to minus 16 and 125 is equal to 5. So multiplied by 5. By calculating it we get 1.3 into 5. 1.3 into 5 is 6.5 and 10 raised to minus 16. By transfer unit, this is transferred to here, so we obtain 0.65 into 10 raised to, if it is transferred to here, it is minus 16 is converted into minus 15 meter. So order of magnitude, this is minus 15 is order of magnitude, so our answer is order of magnitude is equal to minus 15. Let's say our next numerical is large ball radius 2 cm made up of rope in square cross sectional with edges length 4 mm. Neglecting the air gap, the rope, what is the total length of rope in magnitude? We know that volume of ball, volume enclosed by rope, so volume of ball is equal to volume enclosed by rope. So volume of ball is 4/3 pi and radius cube is equal to area of cross sectional rope and multiplied by length of rope. Okay, this is the formula. Volume enclosed by rope is area of cross sectional rope multiplied by length of rope. So what is the length of rope? We have to calculate first length of rope. Length of rope is equal to L is equal to 4/3. This is multiplied, when is transferred to here, it is goes to divide. Area of cross sectional rope means A, so 4/3 multiplied by pi r cube divided by A. Here we given r is equal to 2 meter. In numerical we give r is equal to 2 meter and edges length is given, and that edges length is given as here 4 mm. So 4 mm we can written as area is equal to 4 multiplied by 4 is equal to 16 millimeter square. This millimeter is converted into, need to convert into meter. So it is equal to 16 into 10 raised to minus 6 meter square. By putting value in this formula, L is equal to 4 multiplied by pi means 3.142 multiplied by R. Value is, the value of R is 2 meter. So it is 2 cube divided by cross sectional area. Cross sectional area that is equal to 3 multiplied by 16 into 10 raised to minus 6. Cotton 3 ha 3. 4 by 3. So here 3 and area is 16 into 10 raised to minus 6. So by calculating it, we obtain the result 4 into 3.4122 cube, that is equal to also 12. So it may be 3.142. Next 4 to 4. Next it is cancel as 2 raised to 3 means 8. 2 raised to 3 means 8. 4 raised to 2. So remaining value is 3.412 multiplied by 2 divided by 3 into 10 raised to minus 6. Unit is meter. By calculating it, we again obtain value of 3.412 upon 3.412 multiplied by 2 upon 3 into 10 raised to minus 6. We get answer 2 into 10 raised to 6 meter. 2 into 10 raised to 6 meter. This is our final answer. And we know that we have to convert meter into kilometer. So 10 raised to 6 meter is equal to 10 raised to 3 kilometer. So total order of magnitude is 10 raised to 3 kilometer.